Oh my god, the coot is so cute. The coot is so cute.
It's Coot's friend.
How do you spell it?
C-O-O-T. That's it.
Here they come. Swans, mallard, coot, geese, the seagulls.
I don't know what type.
Oh my god, Lovey has a friend. What the hell? It's just beside you. Friend.
You don't even like them. They just want to be involved. They want deli crackers and nothing else.
Dun, 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 dun.
Army them.
Oh my gosh, the army. So we've just come from this path. The other day it was nice and walkable. Now it's turned into like a river. It's just because it's been raining for the past few days. And I love how, you know, when you're walking, all of a sudden you'll see picnic tables like that one. So it really encourages people or families to be outdoors and to enjoy nature. So it's great. Like right now I'm really appreciating the fresh air. Although I could use a little bit more sunlight because we only have about an hour left before it starts to get dark again.
Hello?
Yes, Eddie's our navigator. He's always showing me around, showing me a great time in his area called Fife. Particularly in Burnt Island, not Buntis Island. Devastation because of the storm yesterday. Very interesting tree. Very sexy.
Parson that's transformed into a tree. Yeah, you got to be careful with the wood switches around here. Very proud women.
So in this area, they used to kill whales for their oil. Ooh, but they're so pretty. Look at them. Imagine being able to see whales there.
Okay.
Show me your best yoga pose. Come. Great. But imagine doing meditation or yoga here on this pretty deck with that view on solar panels. Oh, Scotland. Woohoo!
Sige, tara na.
Saan tayo pupunta? Saan?
Papunta sa Lawa doon.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, Lovey.
Like me. But it's going to take them time to build the trust. Hello, friends.
Oh.
They're not interested. You don't.
What? Am I giving
You need to entice them more.
entice? How?
They don't seem to care. Oh, there you go. There.
They don't like my crack.
Well, they know I've got this. They're waiting for the deli crackers.
They don't trust.
They don't trust you. I built up a rapport with them over a long period of years.
Were you the duck whisperer?
No, you just respect my commanding authority. That's it.
Sit. Sit.
See, this one feels sorry for you, so it's coming up and like giving you the goose experience.
Love, how do you entice them right away? How do you do it right away? Hello. I love the pretty blue detail at the back. Another male mallard coming over. Here's a pretty swan. Two of them coming over. Hi. Hi. Look, he's just looking. He's so curious. Hello, little one. Hi. Oh. Hi. What about this guy? What's his name?
Roger.
Roger.
Hi, Timothy.
Hello. Yes, I know. Nice to meet you. Hi. My flight's actually next week. No, is it? A week and yeah.
Like 10 days.
My flight's in about 10 days, so I will be going back to Manila. So I heard it's a bit colder than usual, but definitely nothing like here. Because the temperature now is Ano?
Ganoon ba?
Ganon ba?
Ganoon ba?
The temperature here is about, what is it, 4 degrees.
No.
So,
Let me check. Anong temperatura ngayon dito?
yeah.
It's 5 degrees, my darling.
Yeah, so I was thinking it's about 4 degrees because I am very chilly. And the difference is I am not warm-blooded like Eddie. I am tropical-blooded, if that makes sense. I grew up in the Philippines, so my blood isn't as...
You're from the Philippines.
Yeah!
You said something. That's quite interesting. Masyadong mainit doon.
Wow! Sorry na!
Gusto ko malamig na panahon.
That's not true. Eddie really enjoys the Philippines. He loves diving there. He's actually been to the Philippines a lot more than I thought, because when we met, he's already been there thrice, was it? Or twice.
So,
And he took us to... What's the place in Malaysia? He took us to...
Alright.
Yeah, he took us to Semporna.
Borneo.
Oh, no, Semporna, Semporno.
Sabah.
Porno. He took... No, he took us to Semporna. And yeah, in Borneo, the Borneo part of Malaysia.
Sabah.
In Sabah.
Sabah region.
And so yeah, Eddie loves tropical countries. He gets to wear nice round neck shirts, his board shorts, his chinelas.
Kita kids, text na lang.